Hey people, so there is the show called Bandish Bandits on Amazon Prime, and it's all about basically the director Anand Tiwari is just trying to get us all interested in this whole thing of the Hindustani vocal music, that Hindustani gharana it's called. So right from the opening shots of this series to the, I mean. To the background score, there's a lot of the culture, and that flavor is very, it's based in Rajasthan. So it's this is one of the few shows that I've seen that the setting, the backdrop is kind of overpowering the performances also. I mean, like, you are very aware of the fact that it is being shot in a Haveli in Rajasthan and all. So it stars Nazruddin Shah and Atul Kulkarni. He was seen in this movie Rang De Basanti, and that's what, a host of new character, fresh faces. And it's a very it's a kind of show that you would want to watch if you want to get a taste of the culture of Rajasthan. So I would say it's slightly slow, this show. And but Kunal Roy Kapoor, as always, I just love the gentleman. Yeah, I mean, his every movie that he stars in, he kind of seeps into the character, which is so amazing, really. So try and catch it, people. It's called Bandish Bandits, and it's on Amazon Prime. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.